Did you know that some farmed catfish can grow over 1 meter long and weigh dozens of kilograms? Catfish farming has become a booming industry, especially in Asia, Europe, and the US, thanks to its fast growth, high survival rate, and delicious protein-rich meat. These fish thrive in ponds and controlled systems, making them ideal for large-scale production. Catfish is one of the most beloved freshwater fish in the world, and for good reason. It's crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside when fried. In the southern United States, for example, it's coated in seasoned cornmeal and deep-fried until golden brown, served with hush puppies or coleslaw. In Asia, especially Vietnam and Thailand, catfish is often marinated with garlic, lemongrass, or chili before frying, giving it a rich, fragrant flavor that pairs perfectly with rice. Did you know that top-quality sea cucumbers can sell for over $3,000 per kilo when dried? Sea cucumbers, one of the ocean's most valuable treasures. In this video, we'll take you inside the fascinating world of sea cucumber farming, how they're raised, carefully harvested, and prepared for the global market. In many parts of Asia and the Pacific, divers are still the best harvesters of sea cucumbers. Wearing masks and air tanks, they search the seabed for these soft-bodied animals, which often lie half-buried in sand or hide among rocks and corals. Hand-picking is the preferred method because it keeps the animals alive and undamaged, crucial for high-value species. Sea cucumbers crawl slowly on the sea floor, but catching them is tricky. If stressed, they can spit out sticky threads or organs, losing value and taking months to recover. So divers handle them very carefully. The eggs are then moved to clean tanks, about 300 eggs per liter. They hatch in 16 hours and start feeding after 36 hours. The larvae pass through swimming and transitional stages before settling at the bottom as juveniles. After 40 days, juvenile sea cucumbers are ready for farming. Freshly harvested sea cucumbers arrive at the processing plant in chilled containers. Once inside the factory, the first step is thorough cleaning. Workers rinse the sea cucumbers in clean, running water to remove any external debris. Next, skilled workers make a small incision along. Now, once the catfish are comfortably growing, feeding becomes the most important step. Most farms use high-quality industrial feed, specially formulated with the right balance of protein, fat, and vitamins. And here's where modern farms get interesting. Many large-scale farms use automatic feeding systems. Huge trucks loaded with catfish feed drive around the ponds or tanks, spraying the pellets evenly across the water surface. This method saves time, ensures all fish get enough food, and reduces waste. When the catfish reach the desired size, farmers use a large crane equipped with a big, strong net to carefully lift the fish out of the ponds. This method is chosen because catfish can get quite large and heavy. Some European catfish can grow over a meter long and weigh dozens of kilograms, so the crane allows for safe and efficient handling without stressing or injuring the fish. One interesting fact: farmers often harvest early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Why? Because cooler temperatures reduce stress, keeping the fish calm, which helps maintain better meat quality along the belly to remove the internal organs. After gutting, the sea cucumbers are rinsed again to ensure they're completely clean before cooking. Boiling is one of the most critical steps. Sea cucumbers are placed in large stainless steel boiling tanks filled with seawater or salted water. After boiling, sea cucumbers are prepared.